chapter 175, desirability of returning home soon after the accomplishment of a task. Hadith 984. Abu Hurairah radiyallahu an, may Allah be pleased with him, reported, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, traveling is a torment because it deprives a traveler of his food, drink, and sleep. So when one of you has accomplished his purpose of journey, let him return home quickly. Al-Bukhari and Muslim.
So when he says السفر قطعة من العذاب, he said traveling is piece of what?
Torment.
Torment. Yeah, but it's not a punishment like Allah is punishing you. And Allah that punishment. Torment. Hardship. It's hardship. Regardless the way you travel. Yes, you're traveling by first class plane. It's different from traveling into a rubbish Ryanair, for example. Yeah, both are traveling. Yes, the one on Ryanair is not going to be as relaxed as the one who is in first class. That's definitely. But both, they are somehow in hardship. And that hardship depends. Maybe the person who's in luxury, when he travels in this first class, he is facing hardship because he hasn't got used to it, to travel long distances like that. That person who's traveling, as I said, I'm not going to be calling down this airline, but we know that some of the airlines, they're almost charging you for going to the toilet. Allah musta'an. So the traveling is, regardless of, it is a hardship because you're leaving your luxury, you're leaving your food, you're leaving your drink, and most importantly, you're leaving your sleep. They call it jet lag, isn't it? Jet lag. And that is because the traveling is just messed up. Just like the woman, when she does take the pill for delaying her menses will be messed up. Same thing. Person going for the journey, he doesn't know the day from the night, especially if he travels like to China or travels to America. Day became night, night became day. He needs some days to adapt to the new system. Also, this hadith tells us is very recommended to come back as quickly as possible. As long as you have finished your mission, why are you hanging about there? Because coming back is better, you'll achieve better, going back to where you are, where your family is, you'll achieve much more than when you're a traveler. And I know that the person, when he's traveling, he is after a while, regardless, even if he travels to Mecca and Medina, he just wants to go back where he feels home, even if he's in Mecca and Medina. Unless Mecca and Medina became his home, that's different. So he resided in Mecca and Medina. But when he was not residing in Mecca and Medina, he likes to stay there, but he misses the place where he's in. Okay, that's why the Prophet ﷺ, he went from Mecca to Medina, and Mecca is better than Medina, and he stayed in Medina, and he died in Medina, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Yet Mecca is better in the sight of Allah Azza wa Jal. Became homeland for the Prophet ﷺ, that is in Medina. Al-mahya mahyakum wal-mamatu mamatukum.